Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up Ultimate Blackstone Burgers. Oh hell yes. This is a collaboration with Big Cat 305 and Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. So guys, get your grub on during the Super Bowl, put together some Ultimate Smashburgers. Oh hell yeah, check out what I got going. So the Blackstone is the main part of the show today, but the Weber kettle's getting a little bit of love with some jalapeno poppers on there. Oh hell yes, did them up my way. It's the old lady's birthday last night, but I was sicker than a dog for the last 2 days. Thankfully, it was a 24-hour gimmick. I'm back 100%, so I'm out here cooking. And so the poppers are on. We're going to be putting together some Ultimate Smashburgers and some Totchos on the Blackstone. Got the tots on, keep moving them around. I saw Blackstone Betty earlier today. She was doing Totchos 3 different ways on the Blackstone, so we're giving it a try. And we're in the defrost mode, and then we're gonna put some oil on there, kick it up, get them nice and crunchy, and then add anything that you want to it. Personally, what I'm gonna do is just throw some cheese on it and set it in the Weber on the side away from the heat, just to hang out for a bit. And then in the house, we can add everything that we want. I was going to put some chili on it. I don't know. I just don't want them to get soggy until we're in the house. So I might put together a little something on my plate before I run in and check that out. Ultimate Blackstone burger? Oh hell yeah. Swiss, bacon, mushroom, Smashburger with some onions as well. With Montreal steak seasoning and some brioche buns toasting up. Ooh, we better get them off now. Woo! Put a lot of extra cheese on this Ultimate Blackstone burger. No dressing. Check this out. Oh, let's give it a bite. Man, damn. And those green peppers at the end, green onions at the end, hell yeah. That was a nice little finish I threw on at the end. And I was going to come up with some kind of creamy sauce, but I think there was going to be too much. And hell yeah, this is rocking. A great classic burger. Try it out for sure. Man, maybe I should have went with 2 patties. Yeah, this is all good. Have fun watching the Super Bowl. Have a damn good time. Get yourself a Blackstone if you ain't got one, or any griddle top that you can get your hands on. It's the easiest, most fun way to cook. It's so simple, and man, the cleanup is so easy. Look at this, covered in grease, covered in grease. It's gonna take me less than 5 minutes to get this thing cleaned up and ready for the next cook. And that's what makes this thing the most fun out of any cooker I've got, because of the ease of the cleanup. Oh hell yeah. Guys, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that damn bell. It's the only way to do it. And I'll catch you guys on the next cook. Oh.